Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today let's talk about auto numbering in Dynamics 365 customer engagement. Auto numbering is a feature that automatically generates unique sequential numbers for records. It's most commonly used for business records like cases, codes, orders, invoices, contracts, and campaigns. How it works? So when a new record is created in Dynamics 365, the system will assign the next number in the sequence. The format for this sequence can include prefix and then the sequential number, and then we have an optional suffix. This helps create a consistent and easy to recognize ID for each record. Okay, and then we can set up this particular auto numbering in two ways. One is by going to advanced settings, administration, and then going to auto numbering. So there is another way from Power Platform Admin Center as well. After going to Power Platform Admin Center, we need to go to environment settings, and then we can set up this auto numbering feature. And once the auto numbering is enabled and it is set up, so we will have uh, the auto numbers getting automatically populated in the records like cases, contracts, codes in this way. So we will have a prefix like CAS, and then in between we have the auto number generated, and finally we will have the suffix. Okay, and with this auto numbering feature we have a lot of benefits. So this particular auto numbering feature ensures every record gets a unique and consistent ID. It reduces manual entry errors, and then it will help to make searching, reporting, and referencing records much easier. Okay, now we will go to the application and see how to set up this auto numbering feature. Now I am in Dynamics 365 application. To go to auto numbering setting, we need to go to advanced settings, and from here under system we have administration, and once we open the administration page we have this auto numbering option. So this is one way of enabling auto numbering, and the other option is by going to Power Platform Admin Center. So now I am in a Power Platform Admin Center environments page. From here we need to select the environment for which we need to enable this auto numbering, and then click on settings. And here in the environment settings under data management we have this auto numbering. Once I click on that, a new tab will be opening where we will see all the auto numbering settings. Yeah, so here in this set auto numbering page we can configure the auto numbering for different tables. We have contracts, cases, codes, orders, invoices, campaigns, articles, categories, and knowledge articles. So here for all the tables you will see three options. One is prefix, number, and then suffix length. But for this articles and knowledge articles we will see only the prefix and number. The suffix is not available for articles and knowledge articles. Okay, now let's take any one table. So we will consider orders, and here by standard or by default the prefix is set as O or D, But if we want to have a different prefix, like a full, so here the prefix will accept the text range between 1 to 3 only. So you can give a maximum of 3 characters here. So earlier it was in capital format, but now I changed in this way, O or D, and then this number is a system generated one. So it will be generated in sequential way, and we cannot update this number. And then we have this suffix length. So here we have three different options. We can have the suffix length as 4, 5 or 6. So by default it was 5. Now I will change this suffix length to 4. Here the important point that we need to consider is, so if I change this suffix length for one table, it will be reflected in other tables as well. So now from code, if I change this to 6, the same 6 will be reflected in orders as well. So the suffix length is something common across all the tables except articles and knowledge articles, because these two does not have the suffix option. Okay, now we will just go back to 4 and then I will click on OK. So now what I did is, for orders I changed the prefix from capital ORD to this particular format, and then I changed the suffix length from 5 to 6, sorry, so from 5 to 4. And once it is saved, we will go to the application and create a new order record and see if it works. It is taking some time. Okay, now we will create a new order record. So now you can see it is showing the prefix that we set, and then it is showing the generated sequence number, and then now it is showing the suffix length as 4.